Hello, happy people. I'm back with my second annual 12 Days of Swatchmas series. This is a series that I started on my channel last year, where over the span of the next 12 days leading up to Christmas, I'm going to show you all swatches from different gel polish collections that I have. Some will be old, some will be new, and I just want to go ahead and get all these polishes swatched out in my collection. And I think this series is a great way to motivate me to swatch the polishes that I have in my collection. And so if you all missed that series last year, I am going to link the full playlist of all 12 videos from 12 Days of Swatchmas from my first annual year. But yeah, this is the second annual 12 Days of Swatchmas. Today I'm going to be swatching gel polishes from the Opuiu brand. So sit back, relax, stay tuned, and welcome to the second annual 12 Days of Swatchmas series. Hello, happy people. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be swatching out some polishes that I got actually quite some time ago. I did list this on my community tab as well as in my Amazon storefront, but I found this 20-piece gel polish set that was only $8, and it came with 8 ml bottles, 20 pieces of it, and it's from the brand Opuiu. Am I saying that right? Opuiu. And first off, let's just get a moment for the packaging. I absolutely love how nice and luxe it looks. I love the black and gold, and here it just says the perfect or nothing. The perfect or nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these out of the box, and we're gonna get to swatching, y'all. I mean, it's the presentation for me. Let's take a moment, right? So this here is the instruction manual that show you how to apply your gel polishes. So if you're new to applying gel polishes, definitely take your time, go through and read everything. But I just love the presentation of this. Like, it just looks really nice and luxe, and it was like a super affordable price, and even the box itself is high quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these polishes out, and then we'll get to doing some swatching. Okay. Alrighty, so these are all the colors that come in the box. I'm gonna go ahead, give you guys up close of each one, and then we'll start the swatching process. Okay, so the kit did come with 16 gel polishes, and then it came with 2 base coats like such, and then a matte top coat and a glossy top coat. So again, love the presentation of the bottles. They're really beautiful. They're really beautiful and have like a nice luxe feel to them. Let's see what the base coat is feeling like. Okay, not bad. It has a medium viscosity. It's kind of loose. It's medium. It's loose, but not super loose to where it drips really fast. I don't know that I've worked with one that has this type of viscosity to it, but I like it. And again, this is what the bottles look like, and they are 8 ml. I love the packaging. I love the presentation of this. So it came with 2 base coats, okay? And then we have our matte top coat here. Okay. Looks like it's about the same viscosity as the base coat, just slightly looser. And then we have our top coat here. Now, this has been sitting for a while, so I guess some crumbs got flaked up here. But let's see. Yeah, and that's the same viscosity as the matte top coat. So it's a little bit looser, but still of a medium viscosity. So that is all the base and top coats, and here are all the colors. First color here is A53. Okay, and it's a really pretty pastel yellow color. Yeah, it's really pretty. Maybe even orange, actually. And the viscosity of this, same as the base coat, loose but medium. A54. Ooh, okay, it's a really beautiful, let's see, let me mix it up a little bit. And it's a really beautiful light pink color. A55. Ooh, it's a really pretty milky white color. Didn't know it had a milky white. That's really pretty. A56. Really nice. So this looks kind of like a periwinkle blue. Very beautiful. A57. And this here looks like a nice soft pastel purple, giving kind of jelly vibes. A58. Ooh, really beautiful pink, nice and vibrant. A59. Ooh, this is a really beautiful yellow. I love this yellow. Very, very beautiful. Looks like a nice true yellow here. A60. Wow, look at this orange. Holy moly. This is a gorgeous, vibrant orange color. Wow, I am in love. That's nice. A61. Ooh, this is a really beautiful kind of deep magenta purple or deep fuchsia. It's really nice as well. A62. Oh yeah, this is a really nice deep red. It leans a little bit brick red, but it's a really beautiful deep red color. It's almost like a deep scarlet red. A63. Ooh, this is a really dark purple, very, very deep plum. That is gorgeous. I love this too. It almost looked black, doesn't it? It's a really, really deep purple. A64. Wow. Yo, the colors in this collection are beautiful. I love how bright and vibrant they are. So this is a really nice royal blue color. Look at that. Very beautiful and gorgeous. A65. Nice. A very nice standard gray. A66. Ooh, really beautiful silver glitter. I don't know why, but this just reminded me of Christmas for some reason, but really beautiful silver glitter. A67. Oh wow. It's a really beautiful hollow gold. That is really nice. I like the complexity of the glitters here. That hollow shift in the gold is really nice. This one feels like it's of a thicker formula for sure, but very, very gorgeous color. And last but not least, we have A68. Oh wow. Look at this. This is a really beautiful blue glitter that has fine purple glitters in it. That's different. I don't know that I've had too many blue glitters like that, but this is beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the swatching, you guys. A53. Okay, well these apply pretty smoothly. They're not super opaque, but I don't know that I would expect super opaque from a pastel anyway. But yeah, nice coverage overall. A54. I don't know what's up with my swatch sticks though. Some of them all bent and messed up. It's a new pack I just got. But yeah, they do apply quite nicely. They self-level beautifully. But you'll definitely need 2 coats of coverage. A55. Yeah, I love that this kit included a milky white. I think that's kind of different. I don't feel like a lot of kits include milky whites for some reason. But I love that this kit came with one. It's very, very beautiful. Look at that. That's nice. A56. It's a really beautiful blue. A57. Oh, that's nice. So this is a really beautiful jelly lavender color. I like that. Jelly lavender. How cute is that? Here for it. A58. A59. A60. Ooh, look at that orange though. So nice, bright and vibrant. Holy moly. This looks like a nice electric orange. And this one is actually pretty opaque with 1 coat though. That's pretty impressive. A61. Very pretty. A62. Really beautiful, vibrant red. Again, this is like a deep scarlet red, really pretty. A63. Oh, I like this. I said this is a really, really deep, vampy purple. Look at that. It's so deep that it kind of looks black, but you can see that it's a purple. I don't have any purples this deep in my collection. I'm loving this color. You'll definitely need 2 coats of coverage though to get that opacity that you want and even coverage, but how beautiful is that? Love it. A64. Very nice. So it's a pretty royal blue, but again, this one, the coverage is very, very thin on this one. So it's not really consistency as far as the opacity with most of the colors, but overall, with most gel polishes that I use, I normally go in with 2 coats anyway. So yeah, you'll definitely need 2 coats of coverage, but this is beautiful. A65. Ooh, very nice. It's a really beautiful, just standard gray color. Very pretty. A66, really beautiful glitter here. Yeah, I like it. I do like how this glitter applies, right? It's very even coverage for glitter. A67. And then quite the opposite for the gold glitter. This one you kind of got to move the glitters around where you want them to be, but still pretty nonetheless. I love the depth to the hollow gold. A68. Ooh, I really love this glitter. I love the uniqueness of it. The all blue with like the little hints of purple in it. This is gonna look really, really nice with 2 coats of coverage. So I'm going to do 2 coats of coverage off camera and a top coat, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is what all the colors are looking like swatched out. I'm really loving the color variety in this kit, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an up close of what all the colors are looking like. First color here is A53, and this is a really beautiful pastel yellow. A54, which is a really gorgeous pastel pink. I mean, it's really, really light, like a baby pink color. A55, which is kind of sort of a milky white, but it turned out to be a little bit more opaque than I expected. So you can, I guess, actually use it as a white, but as I was swatching it, it was more milky to me, but still a really beautiful white nonetheless. A56, which is this really beautiful periwinkle blue. A57, which is this really beautiful jelly lavender lilac purple. A58, which is a really beautiful baby pink. Actually, now that I'm looking at A54, it's actually more of a light peachy color, a pale peach. A59, which is a really beautiful, gorgeous yellow. A60, which is, holy moly, a gorgeous, gorgeous neon orange. I'm just loving the power that this color packs. Very bright and vibrant, love it. A61, which is a really deep, kind of fuchsia pink or mauve pink, really, really pretty. A62, which is a nice, deep scarlet red. A63, which is a really beautiful, deep, dark plum purple. I don't think I've actually seen a purple this dark before. I actually really, really like this color a lot. It's gorgeous. It looks like it's a black, but it's a deep purple. I love that. A64, which is this really beautiful, vibrant royal blue. A65, which is a beautiful standard gray. A66, which is a really nice silver glitter. Go very, very well with this gray color I actually just showed. How cute is that? A67, which, oh my gosh, how fun is this gold? It's the hollow, chunky, and fine glitters for me that makes this such a nice and unique, beautiful gold. Love that. And last but not least is A68, which is this really beautiful, this royal blue color that has nice fine glitters along with some nice purple fine glitters. So, you know, this is something that if you wanted to pair it with this color in the collection, you could. If you wanted to pair it with, you could pair it with this really beautiful fuchsia pink, this deep fuchsia color, if you could. Yeah, just overall, yeah, just overall, I'm loving the variety of colors that came in this Opuiu kit. Alrighty, so this is what this collection is looking like. It's really gorgeous. Loving the variety of colors that are included. And then this, you guys, let's see if I can flip it over. Yeah, I didn't. And then this, you guys, is how the colors are looking like if they were matte. Okay, so yeah, I'm really loving the variety in this collection. I thought that the colors were absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the some of the colors are hit or miss. A lot of the polishes definitely needed 2 coats to reach full opacity, but there were a few, in particular that orange color that was pretty opaque in one swatch. So I mean, but you know, with most gel polishes, you're going to go on with 2 coats of polish anyway. So overall, I would recommend this kit. Like I said, I bought this a while ago when I found it a good deal on it. If you all want to be informed about the deals as I find them, definitely go ahead and follow my Amazon storefront. You can like it, and I think that it'll let you know every time I add new items to the storefront, because I add new items on there weekly. But then I also post the really good deals that I find on my community tab. And so again, if you guys want to be informed about the deals as I find them, definitely, like I said, go and follow my Amazon storefront, as well as subscribe to me here on YouTube, and make sure you keep an eye on my community tab, because that's really where I normally announce the deals at. But yeah, I find all type of deals all the time. I think this past week I just found a gel polish kit that was like 10 bucks, and then some full cover nail tips that were like $4. So I'll leave that here, but yeah, this kit in particular was $8, you guys, for all of these beautiful colors, 2 base coats, matte top coat, and a glossy top coat. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.